Hey everybody, welcome to yet another video in the Kubernetes Goat series, and here we are looking at analyzing crypto miner container. So the description is crypto mining has become popular with these modern infrastructure. Let's not get into it. To get started, identify all the resources, images in the Kubernetes cluster including Kubernetes jobs. Okay, so here we'll be using kubectl, that we know for sure. But where do I get started, right? So here it gives us a hint that let's get started with jobs. So jobs, all right. So here what we are expecting is a bunch of jobs. I know cube bench and cube master are not the ones because in one of the questions or challenges we had to kind of perform a CIS benchmark for which we use like cube bench. Now here are two which we need to focus on. One is batch check job, the second is hidden in layers. I know it is not hidden in layers because this is a challenge in itself. So let's get started with this. So how do I get started? First of all, what we can do is we can sort of describe the job. So kubectl describe job and this. So this will give us a brief idea about what the job is and what it is intended to do. But here, as you can see, it does not give you a lot of information except for the image. Now if you want to go into a bit deeper, kubectl, let's do this, kubectl get job followed by the name of the job and OYML. So here this will give you the exact YAML file that was used to build the job. Again, I could not find anything sensitive, so I had to take a look at okay, before I tell you what I did, let me also do something. Kubectl get pods A. So here by A I mean all namespaces, because in Kubernetes you can define a namespace. It is sort of a logical isolation. So as you can see, there are a lot of namespaces. Default is the default one, and kube system is sort of expected. Anything that you see unexpected, you can try to explore those. So what I did next was um, let me do it again. So the next thing that I did was I was trying to SSH or SSH into all of these. So I was doing kubectl exec IT followed by each and every one of these bin bash, and you also have to specify the namespace by -n. So I was trying to SSH into all of these, or trying to get like bash access to all of these. I couldn't get access to a lot of these, but that's one thing that I tried, and you can also try because it's talking about crypto mining. So I thought that maybe there would be a binary that would be doing it. And yeah, that's the next thing. So I had to take a look at hint. So the hint was that if I do kubectl get jobs, here is a job. I will do kubectl describe job, and this will give me a image. So here is the image. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do docker pull on this image. This will pull the entire image, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is docker. Okay, now one thing you can do is you can build this image, and then you can try to get bash access to this and TTY access to this, and or an interactive shell, and try to explore this. I tried to do that, did not work out well. So I was just trying to see what else can we do. So there is something called docker inspect, so that can help you inspect images. So all you need to do is docker inspect followed by this, and this will give you a lot of information about this image. So I thought, why not like see if it contains anything sensitive. Again, nothing. So the next thing you can do is docker image history followed by the name of the image. So this will give you the entire layers and everything. Again, it says missing, so I think while trying to build this, or like while trying to get information, it did not work as expected. So let's do something, because it's truncated as well. No trunk. So this will not truncate it and will give you the entire information. And as you can see, we get a lot of information back. Now it does say missing, missing, missing a lot of places. So I'm guessing this, like, it did not work as expected on Mac. I was going because at this point of time I had done everything. So what I did was I tried to look at the write-up for this, and as you can see here, it works as expected. Like if you do a Docker history on the entire image, you will see that it gives you a lot of information back. For example, this curl SSL on this particular website, and if you do that, you'll get a flag back. So but here, as you can see, you do not get anything of that sort. So I'm not sure what is wrong with this, or if that's a Mac specific issue. So these are the ways, like this is one of the ways in which you can try to solve this challenge. If you guys do find out a solution for this, like do mention it in the comment section. Thanks.